Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita, the enemy. Ubanzi uthole connection that enlarges into yamadoda. Uguy userious ukuthi nje lento mele ayenze iyenzeke. An appointment has been set. Ngithi ngiyanitshela uguy is going to make the things that makes the post to be done. Atshele abonka ukuthi i-connection ngingenile inside phakathi. Mangibuya nje zabe ngiphethe enye into enzima kabi. Will the enlargement work or is this just another scam? And also, how will umuntu wakhe feel knowing ukuthi nanga umuntu manje ubusy uhamba ngale muva ufuna uku-enlarge u-enlargelani, like I don't get ukuthi banzi like what's happening. But ke umalume naye uyobhabhadiswa. Yes, umalume uyobhabhadiswa, you guessed it right, esontweni likaMadlamini. Like you can now understand ukuthi uNomsa akekho right, umama Nomsa akekho right. Ngithi bamtshela ukuthi uze namanzi, uze ne-fish oil, uze angazi ingenaphi empabhadisweni lezinto, mara uze amanzi running from the tap. Nikhumbule ukuthi ugogo Sibanibani lights uMadlamini at this point because usebenzisa i-chemical engineering to get people to her church. And at some point we all know ukuthi i-chemical engineering idinga ukuvuselelwa, but until how far will uMadlamini let this thing go or run? With that said, uVelaphi is adamant ukuthi uzoba ngqono, but I see uVelaphi ajolana lo mngani ka-Amahle we-Slay Queen. I don't know why, but Amahle was like, no friend, please take care of my man. And do you know ukuthi when a woman says take care of my man, hey, the other woman takes care of the man in ways that the other one didn't expect. In this time, I think ukuthi kuyoba ingxaki problem u-Amahle makazobuya from prison. I was not sure now ukuthi Amahle how long was she sentenced for, but makabuya uyobuya uVelaphi anomntana agijima gut. Hayi ke ve Marisa uyiphara, recovering para, uyahlekwa uvele emaphepheni, and at this point uSolomzi wants to deal with ubhuti wakhe. Yes, uSolomzi wants to deal with ubhuti wakhe and make sure ukuthi ubhuti wakhe reunites with the ancestors. Will that be successful? Also, ngale umka Matsosta wants to deal noMbuso ukuthi uMbuso reunite noMatsosta, and uMbuso akayiboni lento ukuthi the person that I unalived was the wrong person, was not necessarily the person that is like busy wanting to unalive me. The culprit is the one that I sleep with every day. Uguy doesn't even see it. Yo uzohamba shemoMbuso.